Hello everyone, happy Christmas. Well, I'm absolutely cream crackered because I've just finished filming all the shout out videos. Earlier today I filmed the Q&A videos and I've just filmed the third of the shout out videos I do for the younger vacuum fans. If that wasn't enough, I've got to edit them all now, so I'm going to be up until the wee small hours getting these videos edited and uploaded so you can see them all on Christmas Day. So I thought I'll just calm down to sort of chillax a bit, and I'll do a quick little video a bit behind the scenes because I've been sitting here most of the day recording these, and you can see a few vacuums, but I haven't been able to show the vacuums. So this video I'm just going to show you the vacuums that I just grabbed just to give a bit of interest rather than looking at me all the time. You can focus on the vacuum. So that's what I'm going to do. Well, I haven't been cold while filming these videos because, as you can see, I've had a roaring fire, which you couldn't see from the videos because it was a bit off camera, because the Hoover, well, in this set of videos anyway, the Hoover Junior Deluxe was there. In the earlier videos I had my Electrolux 506. So here's my lovely, you've seen this before. She's had an extra coat of wax polish for Christmas. And incidentally, if you're watching this from the UK and have got BBC iPlayer, if you search Butterflies, that's a 70s comedy, you'll actually see this Hoover Junior, well, not this one, but a Hoover Junior Deluxe in this colour featured in that sitcom with Wendy Craig. She has a cleaner, she's so middle class, you see. But you see a little bit of the Hoover Junior Deluxe, and I think, unlike many programs where vacuum cleaners are featured, where they dub on the sound of the vacuum, I think it could possibly be the actual vacuum cleaner sound you hear in that video. A bit of trivia for you. Because it's Christmas, I put some twinkly lights around the Hoover Turbo Power 3. That's one of the latest videos you'll have seen. That's being uploaded at the time I make this video. That's you'll see that tonight. And next to that, and that's also had a lovely coat of wax polish, as has my lovely, it looks almost new, look at it. Another favourite of mine I got this year, the Electrolux Electronic 506. Here's a cleaner that will be featured early next year. Quite an unusual cordless vacuum. There's the cleaner head for it, the cordless Bell Dray. And this is that. I keep meaning to do another video. I will do an update video of that Electrolux 170 in use. It does work, it's been cleaned up, and I've managed to find a toolkit for it. So you'll be seeing that demonstrated with the toolkit as well. And the toolkit is as rare, or even rarer, than the vacuum itself. Here's my current, I'd say, daily driver. Yes, it's the Sebo Felix e-Power Pet version, and that's also had a little bit of a wax polish for Christmas. And you've not seen this yet. I haven't done an unboxing, but I will be doing a demo of this Clean Fix carpet washer. Very sort of industrial design, with a dome on the top, separate pump of course. And if I forget how to use this vacuum, or this carpet washer, sorry, all the instructions are printed on the back, and it's related to the Hoover Aquatronic 1100. That was made by the same company that made this, because you can see it's got a few similarities to the Hoover Aquatronic. In fact, this hose, I believe, does fit the Aquatronic. I'm pretty sure that this whole setup, the wand and everything, will fit the Aquatronic. I haven't got the Aquatronic to work in wet mode. I'm missing a part, unfortunately. Ordered loads of parts for it from a website, I think it was eSpares, and naturally they didn't have a single part in stock. So I wasn't very happy about that. But anyway, pretty good, this machine. I'll be demonstrating it sometime next year. So I think that's it. Yep. Little behind the scenes video. I'm going to start, I'll have something to eat now, and then I'll start editing the videos. I recorded today. So Merry Christmas to you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all very soon for another video. Bye for now.